Hello everyone, in this video we will learn Excel text rotation trick. So let's start this in my Excel and you can see here I write here the one rotation. Simply select the cell, go to the home tab in alignment group, just click on this option, the orientation option. Okay, when you keep cursor on it you can see the name orientation and then click on this drop down arrow and then click on the format cell alignment option. You can see the format cells dialog box is open. Here click on the alignment tab and here in orientation you can see here the some preview. So this is your text. Okay, this is a text. Okay, the selected text direction. See the when you click on this drop down arrow there are some degree changes on the text. See the your changes of rotation of your text. When you decrease the degree here, see the changes over here. Okay, and you can just drag with the mouse also. You just click on here on this point and you can easily drag with the mouse also. You can see I just drag it and see the changes on the degree number 20, 47s, in minus also minus 48, minus 55. Now I just leave the mouse button and you can see here the preview text here minus 55 is a degree. And after that I just click on OK and see here the rotation. So you can rotate text as per the degree. So I show you. I just select the text. Again, I click on this alignment option in orientation, click on the format cell. And now I just drag with the mouse in 45 in plus. See the preview. So this way the text will appear, will showing here. Okay. Then after that just click on OK and you can see the rotation this way. So hope you understand. If you like this trick, please subscribe. Thank you so much.